Subdomain method is a type of weighted residual method. In the weighted residual method, we have assumed an approximate solution of axial displacement for this rod, which is subjected to a triangular load distribution. And in the previous lecture of weighted residual method, which was lecture 3.6, we have derived this residual function. This residual function has three unknown coefficients, and the subdomain method requires that the integral of this residual function over some selected subintervals to be set equal to 0. The number of the subintervals depends on the number of coefficients. As we can see in this residual function, we have three unknown coefficients C1, C2 and C3. So we will make three subintervals. The first subinterval will be from 0 to L by 3. The second subinterval is from L by 3 to 2L by 3, and the third subinterval will be 2L by 3 to L. And we will put these three integrals equal to 0. So after solving these three integrals, we will get three equations, and we have three unknowns C1, C2 and C3. By solving simultaneously three equations, we will get the values of C1, C2 and C3. So we have assumed this approximate function for axial displacement ux. So when we will put in the values of C1, C2 and C3 in this axial displacement function, we will get the axial displacement ux at any point on this rod.